In this video, I'm showing you how you can fix WhatsApp profile picture automatically removed. So let's jump into the video. But before getting started, here is some intro about our channel. Our channel Noteartener is a tech tutorial channel, and here we upload daily how-to tutorial videos bringing solutions of the problem that you are facing on your internet journey. So you can join our community by subscribing and pressing the bell icon to get free access of our unlimited content of interesting and knowledgeable tech videos like this one. So let's jump into the video. So in this video I'm showing you two ways by which you can fix this issue. So firstly, open your WhatsApp app and then log in into your account. Firstly, you have to open your Play Store or App Store and then search for the WhatsApp app. Then simply open it and then it will show up like this. If you see this in the right side of the WhatsApp icon, if you see the update button, then there means that there is an update for WhatsApp app. Then you can simply tap on the update button to update your WhatsApp app. So this is the first way. Second way is you have to again go back to your WhatsApp app and then tap on the three dots in the top right and then open the settings. From here you can simply go to your profile by tapping on then you need to tap on the profile icon, and then here you have to take a screenshot of this page. So after that, what you need to do is you have to simply tap on the help in the second last option and then tap on the contact us. Then it will open up this page. Here you have to type what problem you are facing, like WhatsApp profile picture automatically removed. After giving details of the problems you are facing, you can simply tap on the next button in the very bottom right corner, and then it will take some time, and then here tap on the send my question to WhatsApp support in the very bottom, and then it will send this question to WhatsApp support team. Then after that WhatsApp support team will contact you under 24 hours. So by that you can simply resolve your issue. So here you can see WhatsApp have given some steps. So in your case, according to your problem, it will show up many it will give many of you the methods by which you can resolve this issue. So that's how you can do that. So if you find this video helpful, you can subscribe to my channel, like this video and share it with